Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana and today I'm going to be cutting my own hair. Now this started back when, 2020 was happening and nobody could go to a salon, but then I realized it's really easy if you have curly hair and you can just cut your own hair. And now that I'm traveling a lot, it's easier to cut my own hair than continually find a new stylist everywhere that I go. Except the Mexican TSA did take my hair cutting scissors when I was coming back to the US in March. So I got a new pair and I'm going to cut my hair for the first time in I think about 10 months. It's always just in a bun like this anyways, so why not? Really hope nobody walks over here while I'm doing this. Oh, I don't have my clippy. What happened to that? Did I lose that? Also, yes, I am filming this on the same morning as my morning routine video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll link that in the cards here. Disclaimer, I am not a professional, so, Alright, so I section it off to either side, and then I usually start by taking this bottom chunk in the back. Determining piece, so however short I cut this is how short my hair is going to be. I think I wanted about a collarbone length, so here goes. Well, can I match? Yeah. Well, yeah. That's a lot of hair. Okay. Oh, look at that little curl. I love it. Okay. I really can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Then I just have to match all of the hair to that one strand. So I try to work in small sections, but I'm also impatient, so, Ah! Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Every time I'm like, oh, I don't want to cut my hair, and then I do, and I'm like, I look cute with short hair. Okay, then once I have that side done, okay, if I could not get eaten by bugs while I do this, that would be great. I take the bottom piece over here, and this piece over here, and choke myself for a second while I line them up. Oh my god, I did cut myself. Okay, now that they're even on both sides, it's much easier from here. So I just gotta match up all the strands on this side. I feel like cutting your own hair is pretty self-explanatory, but I am cheating because I have curly hair, so it's easier to hide the mistakes. I should be cutting this in smaller sections, I know, but I don't care. Don't cut your finger again, Alana. What would you do if you were walking in a forest and you just saw me, cutting my hair? What do we think so far? I love it. I think I'm gonna do 2 more sections. And as you can see, I'm sectioning my hair very professionally, measuring it to a T, all that good stuff. All that hair is so much lighter than everything else. Okay. Wow, you can really see how much I cut off. Okay. Then from here I like to just, again, section it off, and then instead of aligning it with all of the hair, I match it with the hair that's directly underneath it. Not because I'm a professional, but because that's how I like to do it. Sweet. I feel like the hair at the ends was just dead anyways, so this is good. These hair ties are not fun to take out with one hand, but it doesn't rip your hair out, so that's nice. Alright, I pulled some of it back just to make it a little bit easier. Now I actually will part it because I want it to frame my face correctly. Gosh, looking in the camera is so hard. I love how most of the top layer is literally just around my face. There's literally not a single top layer here in that section. Okay. See, this is why I stopped doing high ponytails, because it was just ripping the top layer of my hair out in the back. That's my beauty angle. Oh, it feels so much lighter. Okay, I guess I need to check the back, huh? Okay, there's like one piece that I need to investigate. Is it that one? Alright, final test. Let's see if it's still long enough to do my gym bun. Nice. Now, is this the best haircut of my life? No. Am I very happy with it? Yes. If you watch this entire video, I hope you're either learning how to cut your hair yourself or you just enjoy my face. Thanks for sticking around. Be sure to subscribe down below and stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys. Except, would you shut up, kid? I love how I only used the thin tooth comb for the very first strand and then I was like, nah. See, this is why you always double check. I